Aloo chili dry recipe. Pressure cook 4 large potatoes. While the cooker is cooling, cut 2 onions into petals. Grate 2-inch ginger. Cut 4 to 6 green chilies. Cut spring onion whites. You can add some garlic too. In a pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil. Add the cut onions. Add the grated ginger. Add the cut green chilies. Stir fry. Add spring onion whites. Add 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Maggi hot and sweet ketchup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Add a tablespoon of freshly ground pepper. Add salt per taste. Mix all the ingredients. Remove and keep aside the base. Next, peel and cut the potatoes. Coat the potatoes with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. In another pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Fry the potatoes. Fry till it starts to turn brown. Transfer the fried potatoes to the base. Stir fry it for around 8 to 10 minutes. This way the taste is far better. Add 4 sprigs of spring onion greens. Serve it on a plate with tomato ketchup and green chili sauce. The dish is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.